Hi guys, welcome to part 5 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough. In this video, we're going to explore the prompt and command managers. You select whichever manager you want to use by clicking the relevant selector. Let's start with the prompt manager. You can use the prompt editor to edit your prompts. You can prompt the model from here by clicking the Submit Prompt button. Any text in the prompt editor will be sent to the model. You can also save prompts to be reused in the future.
You can call me GPT, CodeMate, ShellBuddy, or anything else you like. Want to give me a custom code name?
Simply click the Save Prompt button and enter a name for the prompt. If voice recognition is activated, you can automatically send saved prompts to the model just by saying the name that you gave the prompt when you saved it. So now, when I say cool to the model, it will load our saved prompt and send it to the model. So now, when I say computer, say cool to the model, you can see it automatically submits the prompt that we just saved.
Glad you think so. What's next on the agenda, PowerShell GPT? Need code, automation, a brainstorm, or just vibin'?
You can delete prompts by selecting the prompt you want to delete from your list of saved prompts, and then just click the Delete button. The command manager behaves in exactly the same way, but for PowerShell commands. You can enter PowerShell commands into the command editor and execute them by clicking the Run Command button. You can save PowerShell code that is in the command editor by clicking the Save Command button and then entering a name. The name that you choose will act as the voice trigger when you want to execute the code in the future. Computer. Say hello in PowerShell. As you can see, the PowerShell command we just saved gets executed. To delete saved PowerShell commands, just select the saved PowerShell you want to delete and click the Delete button. And finally, the last command manager. This stores the last PowerShell commands that were executed. You can review, edit, rerun, and save them from here. Okay, guys, that's the end of part 5. Thanks for watching. See you in part 6.